Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nitesh Yadav, and I will teach you today a topic which will be discussed later. So I will request you all to watch till at the end, and I am sure you will learn something new. So let's get started. So in today's topic video, our topic is to find rational number between two given numbers. We will learn about how to find rational number between two given numbers. Let's suppose we have given 1 and 2 as a two number, and we want to find rational number between them. So in this video we will learn about that. And let's talk about our previous video. In previous video we have discussed about basic definition of a number system, what is number system, and how which one is number system, what is whole number, and everything. So first let's start our today's topic. So first we will discuss about concept, how do we find rational number. So we have given two types of method. First method is to let two numbers. Let's suppose we are given find 1 and 2 as a number, and we want to find the rational number between them. So we take 1 as a and 2 as a b, and then we will sum them, add them, and divide them by 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, and we will divide 3 by 2, and this is a number which is between 1 and 2. And this is if we let's suppose we want to find five numbers between them, then we have to continue this process until we find the five numbers. So let's see this. We have find a number 3 by 2 which is between 1 and 2, and now we want to find other number. So we will take here now 1 plus 3 by 2 and divided by 2, and then we will get 5 by 4 as another number, and then we will other and continue. So let's look at our second method. Here I have discussed you a question. Other option is to find all this method. If we want to find a lot of numbers between two numbers, then this method find to be too long for us to. So another method is also given. We will discuss that method also in our videos. So let's take example. We want to find a five rational number between 1 and 2. So, we will take 1 as a and 2 as a b, and then we will add them. So 3 and we will then divide them by 2. So we have got 3 by 2 as a number, and for other number we will take 3 by 2 plus 1. Now we will take 1 because we want to find a number between 1 and 3 by 2, and if that number is between 1 and 3 by 2, then that number will also be between 1 and 2. So we will take 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here we will take denominator as a 1, but here 3 by 2 has a denominator 2, so we will multiply it by 2, and then it will become 5 by 4, and we will 5 by 2, sorry, 5 by 2, and then we will multiply it by 2, and this will become 5 by 4. So let's talk our second method, which is also interesting method, and we will do this method for finding three other numbers, and we will find three other numbers as 11 by 8, 13 by 8, 7 by 4 by doing same method as we discussed. And by second method we will make denominator same. We all know that how to make denominator same. We have done plus addition and subtraction of a fraction number, in which we have learned to how to make a denominator same. So let's suppose our take previous example, in which we have discussed that we want to find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. In by second method we will want to find how many rational numbers between them. So 5, answer is 5. So we will plus 1 with it. Sorry, this is not looking. So we will add 5 plus 1, which will 6. So we will make denominator as a 6. Or if we want to find more numbers, like 10 numbers between them, so we will make denominator as a 10. And if we want to find more numbers, we will divide and multiply them by 10, 100, 200, 300, how many numbers that we want, 1000 also, everything. So let's look our other. So let's take, we have 6. Now we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. So 1 into 6 by 6 will become 6 by 6, and then 2 into 6 by 6 become 12 by 6, and we will easily see that 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, and 10 by 6, and 11 by 6 here also are between these two numbers. So this is our today's video. In this video we have learned about finding two rational numbers. The summary is that by first method we have given a formula. If we want to find rational number between 3 and 4, then by first method we have a formula a plus b by 2. We will apply them as like this: 3 plus 4 by 2, and then we will get 7 by 2 as a number between 3 and 4. And by second method we will make denominator as a same. Let's suppose we want to find a rational number which is between 3 and 4, so, and we want to find 6 rational numbers. So let's do. We will multiply them with 7, because we want to find 6, then we have to add 1 in it. 1 in it to x plus 1. If this is our formula for the second method, x plus 1. So in this we want to find 6 rational numbers between them, so we will add 1, which will become 7, which means that we have to make denominator as a 7. So we will multiply 7. If we all know that if we multiply any number in denominator, we have to pass it to numerator also. So we will make like 21 by 7 and 4 into 7 by 7, which will become 21 by 7, and 4 by become 28 by 7, and now we have 6 rational number between them as 21 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, and 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7. So hope guys you like it and learn something new. So as I have told you in my previous video, I am a Telegram app group in which I send daily with homework to you all. So link is in description. So go through the link and join my Telegram link. So we will solve their RJ Sharma lesson and every book if many students will join my channel. So share with your classmates to help them study in this lockdown pandemic and overcome their fear about exam. So thank you for watching, and we will learn in our next video about erasing.